Oh, yeah. So, while recording this, I'm just gonna make a quick recap. So I traded TLRY today. So I was just watching TLRY and Lucid, but TLRY was better. The cool thing about TLRY is I was watching it at 12s. So hello, yeah, I'm back. I'm just gonna do a quick recap because this was a great trade, amazing trade. So as you can see, there was no order and there was no buying pressure at 12s, so I said yep, it's a short. I was really kind of considering it at long at 12 area, but really it wasn't a short. So if let's watch this first. Fast forward a bit. Yeah, I just want to say hi. It's been a while since I made my last recap, so really I don't have time to make recap. Just want to make a really quick one because this one's a really good trade, and while recording this I'm just gonna speak. So this was a daily level, so this is daily level. I think this was a pre-market low level, and this was the opening price. I did not even have the time to put levels at round numbers like 12. Normally I put round number 12, round number lines on round numbers. Oh, see, I can't even speak properly. So since it's 2-to-1 move, this is where I should be adding because I've taken most of my shares here. I've taken most of it here. These are 10% because I thought it's going to reverse. So I'm kind of really hesitant not to wait, or a few candles like this. I was kind of hesitant. I thought that it's going to go back to my break even. That's why I've taken some more off, but this is where I took most of my shares. And now since I'm out of shares, I'm going to just re-add back. So that was the add. New average is 71, 1171. So I added what I have left. So yep, half of what I have left actually, because I didn't want to go back to VWAP, because this can just easily go back to VWAP, right? Because as you can see here, in terms of daily ATR range, it made about 75 cents already. Daily ATR is 88 cents, so I was risking 20 cents, which is about a quarter of its actual ATR. So yeah, we got a really good move here. So I've taken some profit here, just small one. Taking profit at volume and at lows. Waiting for more. I actually forgot what I did here, so maybe let's just fast forward this. Okay, while waiting, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on my social media accounts. It's been a while since I've made a recap. But I've been really busy at work. I've been doing 12-hour days most of the time, almost every day, and also working on Saturdays. So yeah, so that's why I've been waking up early, because I have to work really late. Yeah, but I do trade part-time. I've been heavy on my swings, so I'm making enough money in there that I don't have to do day trades. And I'm also doing some NFT games as well that's making just printing money almost every day. It's insane. So even I'm really busy, I still find time to invest and make extra income on the side, which is good. And I'll be on vacation. I will be done on my project in the next 2 weeks, and then I'm flying back for vacation for 1.5 months. It's kind of dangerous and risky, but I think it should be safer now. The cases are going down. So yeah, what else? Nothing, no updates. Yeah, so I don't know if I can make recaps on my vacation, but I will be making recaps full time again, maybe mid next year after my vacation. But if you follow my Instagram and Twitter, I always post my day trades in there, and sometimes I post my swings if I have time. I'm more active in Instagram, but you can follow me on Twitter as well. You can message me there if you have any questions. And yeah, I think we should just fast forward this and see what happens, and maybe we can replay back what I really did. So as you can see here, I was actually waiting for a re-add back, but I just didn't get the price. I was hoping 1120, but it was just really weak. Okay, let's fast forward. Yeah, I even added like an order there at 1114, but just really weak. And I sent while I was doing this, I sent an order for limit order, not a range order, for it to get filled while I'm doing this video, and we can actually check how much is the price now. But yeah, maybe I can just rewind back. So if we rewind back, I was actually watching Lucid, so let's go to my TLRY trade. Yeah, so here's my TLRY trade. Let's watch it. So market opened here, right? I'll do a more detailed explanation. So as you can see here, opening price is about $11.92. There's a $12 here. There's a range here at $11.90 that you can probably short, but the thing is, it's still too early. It's 9:20 in the morning to open, and volume is not that bad. I prefer if it's about 1 million. It moved about 20 cents, as you can see here. I had 88 here in my notes. It means 88. The ATR is 88 cents. I didn't have time to make levels and everything, so I was just looking at daily levels. And I said, okay, looks like a long, right? As you can see here. But the thing is, there was no buying pressure. And also, normally you'll see big orders at 12:10. Like, you know, just signs that it's gonna pop, right? So I think what's happening is people are just shorting or selling market orders at somewhere here at this price when I was looking at the price action. So I said, okay, I'm gonna short it 11.92 if it touches 11.92 or 11.90. So I was closely, I'm not watching the candles anymore at this point. See, you see those orders? So I'm watching just this level. So yeah, so I'm late. So I got filled 11.86. Can you see it here? I got filled 11.86. That's like 4 cents away from where I got filled. So that's weird. So sometimes that's why, you know, better get in early, at least maybe a cent early, because 11.90 is kind of like a round numbers in terms of cents, right? So maybe you get in 11.91 if you see 11.91 order, if you anticipate that it's gonna drop. So I see a big order here at 11.50, so easily that can go there, but because of this drop, it can easily pull back to 11.80 as well. Yeah, so I'm sending orders there. I did not want to hit market order, so I'm just still sending bids, sending limit bids, which is, you know, so I don't pay for the spread. I don't want to pay for the spread. So as you can see here, I was just taking 10% at that time. I was kind of scared it's holding the price here, but there's 11.50 here. I said, okay, maybe it's not really that weak, because sometimes it recovers and goes back to VWAP. I don't want to get stopped out in VWAP, so I was taking 10% here. That's why I always have my stop loss in there. So let's fast forward. Yeah. So I've taken most of my shares here, added here. So that's what I did earlier. And yeah, I think that's it. So I just want to show you the trade, how I decided at the open whether to go short, because there's no signs that it's really not going to break up at short and break up the high of day of pre-market. Yeah, that's about it. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, so I got filled in that order that I sent at the very end. That was my last share. As you can see here, so I shorted at 11.86. 10% and 10%, maybe this at a 25%, can't remember. And then I reshorted here, somewhere here. So this short I waited patiently, and this I made a bit more profit in here because of this hold. I could have held bigger size, but the thing is, like if you're risking 20 cents, if you miss this move, then you stop at a break even, it hits me, right? So I can't really decide properly when that happens. So like that's why I take partial a lot, because I think it's my personality. I'm like a really short-term trader. I can't really wait that long. But imagine if I waited, right, this whole move. Well, who knows, man? Who knows? But that's why I just pay myself, take profit, just re-add back like this. I re-add back. So whatever I missed here, I have it here because I've taken the profit already. So I just re-added back for me to make more, right? So I even want to add more in here or even here, but I just didn't get the price that I want. So when I'm adding, I don't just get in or add, right? I wait for the price that I think makes sense for me. Like for this one, right? This range, you'll see like a pullback of 25%, 50% will be somewhere here. This range, so 50% here. So imagine if I added here, then my average will be somewhere really close. So you really have to be careful when adding. Yeah, got nothing else to say actually. So this was just a really quick recap, and just a quick update why I'm not making any daily recaps anymore. It's just I've been really busy at work. So if you think I'm gone, no, I'm not. I will not be leaving day trading at all. Oh my god, it's selling off. TLRY, but it's fine. It's an SSR. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, just comment down below or follow me in my social media accounts. See you guys next time. Bye.